think I'm going to see guys. Is it there? Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. We are doing fine. If you are new to my channel, my name is Timmy and you are welcome to the best world. I'm your subscribers, you are welcome back once again to my channel. Thanks for your support always. I'm going to supermarket, but I'm going to use bicycle. So I'm going to take this bicycle with me. Yeah, like it's sunny outside, like sunny. Let me open the door. I'm going to see you guys.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could.
Like, hey, the weather is 31 degree. Like it is sunny. Everywhere is so hot. Oh my god. So I'm not going to buy many stuff here. I'm going to buy what I can carry with this my handbag here. So plus I'm here with bicycle. So I'm going to buy small stuff. And I said if I'm just taking small things, so I want to take her nylon. So I'm done buying. I'm going to go on and pay because I can't carry more than that. Then I think I'll need to branch to African store just to get 2 things. Yeah. So let's go.
Inserisci la quadra da spesa. Informazioni richieste. Inserisci i contanti.
So I'm done buying. Yeah, I'm going to African store now. I want to go and get 2 things, like I said before. So I'm home now. Like the weather is so hot. Oh my god, it's so hot. Like 32 or 33 now. It's so hot. As I get home, I need to pour water in my face. It's so hot. Let me show you guys what I got. So these are the stuff I got there. I got this ravioli for my kids. Then I got just 2 breads. Yeah, got 2 breads. I got these beans, 1 egg, and of course I went to African store to get these 2 things here for my wagon. Yeah, so and I got 1 nylon and this cereal, and I got this thing to ice cream. As I get home, my kids will be asking for ice cream. Oh, it's containing Can you see me now? I know that I'm still going to come out because I forgot to buy palm oil. I went to African store. I forgot to buy palm oil. I didn't have it anymore. So I need to go back there right now. Yeah. Okay. Like the weather is so hot, so I need something to chill this my hair, and I've tried today. Let me show you guys. Also, so I asked him, he said I can video him. So that is it there. So this is it. So I asked for strawberry because I love anything strawberry. Yeah, I love it. It's not that sweet because I don't like sweet things. It's not that sweet, and it's so cold. Oh my god, This is what I need right now because I'm trying since. Yeah. Okay, I'm home. Yeah, so I got this for hand wash. I got this for plates wash. And then I got my baby wiper. So I got this for 10 euro. Yeah, this big oil. I got it for 10 euro. That is it. I think this is 1 euro something. 1 euro 79, 2 euro 19, and 1 euro 49. This 10 euro. Yeah, I'm cooking now. I'm preparing. What is it called? Ewa going, of course. Ewa going. So that's what I'm preparing right now. So see you guys later again. Yeah.
The next morning.
Like I've been walking since morning. This my face looks so sleepy. But what to do? So I just came out from charity house now. So I want to arrange everything I got there. I want to rearrange this thing, this place. If you want to know more about this charity house, I've made video about it before where you get free food. So I think I'm going to look for it, then I'll put the link in my description. In case you want to ask me why am I still wearing this gown. Don't ask me, eh? Because people are like, you look so beautiful in this gown. Like I have not wear something armless like this before. So me wearing it anywhere I go, they don't want to say, Bella, you look so beautiful. And I'm feeling myself, I'm feeling like I should be repeating the gown. So yeah, so let me do what I'm supposed to do.
There's no place I'd rather be.
Do I really look so beautiful in this gown? People should say the truth. So because everybody were like, oh, you look so beautiful, and plus this year that I made by myself, like everybody were like, oh, you look so beautiful, and I'm feeling myself like, I'm not so. So I'm going to clean that place right now.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, I would stay here for.
I've cleaned everywhere. I'm going to go on and arrange all the stuff. So we got this dry bread. I'm going to start using.
That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together.
So I'm done with it. Let me show you guys. Is it? And I return those plates back there. Those cartons are cup. They are new cup, so I return it back there. So this is it. I'm not sure if I'll go out later. I really don't know, but now I just need to go and bathe, relax myself, relax myself. Yeah, and see you guys next time. Bye for now.